Okay, guys, so this bird that laid eggs in our shed last year and had babies came back this year. I'm not sure what kind of bird she is. Maybe you guys can help me. She's very, very little. It's a girl, a female, and a male. They're little brown, birds. There's their nest. Door shut. There's the eggs. Hold on, I can't zoom in or out. But they're white and they got little brown spots on them. I'm not sure. There's like 4 or 5 of them in there. I'm gonna leave her some peanuts. Hopefully she'll eat them. And when I see her or him, I'll show you. So you can tell me what kind of bird it is.